Sorry, ML81. ML. Okay, other purchase order. ML81. Okay. There are simple steps. Just you need to click on create entry sheet, and here you will add third party activity. Activity, enter your services, quantity, price, accept, and save this. Okay, so service entry sheet accepted with document. So /IW33, just go and see the document flow. Okay, so GR, PO, everything is there. So right now you need to proceed for your internal labor activity. We have done with the external activity. Everything is same. So just we need to go and IW41. We just need to station IW41, confirm. Okay. Just select, double click, checkbox is already active, work done. Okay, work done, work done, work done. Okay, and just save this. Go to order /IW32. Okay, so release, confirm, estimate cost, asset in construction exists, availability control area, it's budgeted, go moment posted, no material components. Okay, let me just check for cost also. So plan cost, actual cost, there is the report. Okay, so assign. Okay, so further for this external service activity, there is KG iTunes KO88. So I will just tell you, I think here is some system error for FICO /n KGI2. Let me, okay, for KGI2 system will allow, but for KO88, okay, KGI2 system has allowed us. This is overhead cost, okay, actual overhead cost. IW32. Let me go to the cost. Okay. External services. This is overhead cost. Okay, so let me try for KGI, KO88. Otherwise, we will directly do the TECO. Okay, no issue. I will do TECO here. Our activity already confirmed. Enter. Okay. Cost. That is cost. It's cost for external services. This is for overhead cost. Let me save this. Let me
internal cost is not calculated.
Yeah. That's why costing here for costing FICO module has not been aligned for this sandbox. Otherwise, you will see all cost we have captured. Let me try once more. So cost, this cost, see, we have confirmed with our label, but it's still not updated. So basically, it should not happens in real time. So why, I will tell you why this happens. So once you copy this and you go to KO88, you will find one error /n KO88. So I will just remove. See, you cannot post the asset in the company fiscal year. Okay. So basically, this is for FI transaction. FICO should be assigned with this plan maintenance. Basically, this is a training server, so there will be some means config issue. But basically, that's IW33. This is the end-to-end scenario from plan maintenance side. All this activity till the take. Okay.
Okay.
And configuration, as I shown you from PM side, there will be. I will quickly show you. Plan maintenance customer service, maintenance service processing, maintenance and service order, function and setting for order type, configure order type, and here will be config for PM07. That is only from our PM side. Rest will be in FICO side. They need to allocate controlling, they need to allocate the cost, they need to perform PO22, all that activity. So